Hi, welcome to the Computer Learning Channel. In today's short video, we are going to take a standard rectangular image, load it into Photoshop, and then apply rounded edges to the corners. So let's get started. Go ahead and run Adobe Photoshop and load the desired image into the application. On the left, pan select the Shape tool, right-click on it, and make sure the Rectangle tool is selected. Bring your mouse cursor inside your image, press on the left mouse button, and draw a rectangle inside your image borders. Resize the box to exactly fit on your image borders. On the right-hand panel group, go to the Properties tab, and scroll down until you see the Appearance section. For the corner radius value, enter 45, or adjust the value to your taste. Go down to the Layer section, and drag your image layer over the rectangle box layer. Now right-click on your image layer, and select Create Clipping Mask from the pop-out menu. With that mask applied, we should be done, and the final image now has the desired effect of rounded edges. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.